Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 208 in the active specification. So this car's done just over 18,500 miles, comes with alloy wheels, you get a 7-inch touchscreen that features DAB digital radio as well as Apple CarPlay and full Bluetooth connectivity. There's also air conditioning, cruise control, and this car is only £20 to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has a full service history, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.